like the sex talking.
Yeah.
The sex talking, you know, we're looking nice, eyes, look, genie eyes, like, you know, love eyes, like, you have nice eyes. You
She started
love
blush.
sex, like, genie eyes. Yeah, anyway. So what happened to your boyfriend? You run him away? You don't have man.
Me and you want to be my man.
So what happened to your baby father? Where is he?
Me not have
Where
none of
is
you. Like, me talk about.
Alright, now, we put that joke aside. Me a 3 score and 10, right? And you must be about 2 times your age. What you do with me? What you gonna do with me?
What me a what?
What you gonna do with me? Me a 3 scores and 10. Me about 2 times your age or 3 times your age of where you are. What you gonna do with me?
Love you and take care of you.
Take care of me. But them road they coming like me and my famous godmother. Cause a long time nobody now take care of me, you know. Long time, what 40 years.
Eh?
Yeah, what 40 years. So how long now since you have sex? How long now?
1
1 year.
1 year.
1 year.
Yeah.
Shut down love, you know. Because you miss eye tie jacket, me just shut it down. So I don't care the beards all know. All know. And then
So there no woman have menopause.
no man have it too, man. Go ahead, go to my 1 year menopause. That one, next one.
Wait, menopause?
Menopause, we go through that. We double up menopause, you know. I know some my sister make me know. Say me have menopause. Me never know. I tell her them things that fuck. I don't feel love way about look at me, I think positive towards money. Girl, me tell you, I don't really feel love in the same time, I think about money. Love the one side.